Welcome to Vietnam, home to one of King Machine's most important beer production projects in Southeast Asia. This is the HIBECO factory, a leading beverage producer in Vietnam with more than 35 years of experience in beer, alcohol and beverage manufacturing. At this facility, King Machine has supplied multiple advanced production lines, including an ultra-clean PET bottle beer filling line, an ultra-clean glass bottle beer filling line, a beer canning line, a tinplate beer filling line, and a PET water line. Right now, we are looking at the ultra-clean PET bottle beer filling line. This line is specially designed for PET bottle beer production, combining bottle blowing, air conveying, rinsing, filling, capping, labeling, packaging to one complete solution. King Machine's Ultra Clean Filling technology helps maintain beer freshness, reduce oxygen pickup, preserve carbonation, and ensure stable product quality. The entire line runs automatically with high efficiency, smooth bottle handling, and reliable filling accuracy for premium beer products. HIBECO also operates an ultra-clean glass bottle beer filling line. This system is designed to deliver stable production, precise filling levels, and excellent hygiene standards for glass bottle beer packaging. In addition, King Machine has provided a high-speed beer canning line and a tinplate beer filling line, helping HIBECO expand its canned beer production capacity. These canning solutions provide fast operation, stable seaming performance, and reliable product quality. Besides beer production, HIBECO also operates PET water line supplied by King Machine for bottled water production. With these advanced production systems, HIBECO has built a complete beverage manufacturing platform covering beer, canned drinks, bottled water, and other beverage products.